Hello students, in the last video you studied how to make negatives and you also studied how to make emphatic statements or sentences giving force. Now in this video we'll see the second part of this lesson, that is how to prepare negative statements, how to prepare positive questions, how to prepare negative questions when special verbs or helping verbs are not there in the sentence. I have already told you special verbs. You already studied it. Is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had. How to prepare negatives and questions when helping verbs are present. That is already taught to you. So see here, when helping verbs are not present, just based on the verb form, means whether verb is in first form, s or es attached to the verb form, or verb is in second form, be2 form, then how to make negative, how to make positive question, how to make negative question, we'll study that. Formulas are very simple. See here, negative statement means just making negative, means adding not. First subject as it is, then based on the verb form you have to either take don't, doesn't, or didn't. I repeat, one of these three, not all the three. If verb is in first form, don't. If s or es is attached, doesn't. Or if verb is in v2 form, didn't. After that, after taking one of these, you have to take v1 part of the verb, v1 form of the verb, and then remaining part, and finally full stop. Now positive question, what for is it used? For asking questions. When the speaker or one who is speaking wants to know something, then he prepares or she prepares a positive question. But if helping verb is not there, then how to prepare it? You have to begin with do, does, or did. You have to take one of these based on the form of the verb. For v1 do, for s v1 plus s or es does, for v2 did. Then you have to take subject, then you have to take remaining part, and then give question mark. And negative question, now what for negative questions are used? I'll give you a simple example. Sometimes your parents say, you're not studying at all. At that time we use negative question. What for? We use it for giving force. How? Sometimes your parents say you're not studying at all. You're just wasting your time. But you know that you're studying. At that time you say, don't I study, dad? Don't I study, mom? What is this? This is negative question. It is not used for asking question. It is used for giving force. By that question, you mean to say that I am studying, I study. It is not that you do not study at all. So, for that, we use negative question. Sometimes, if you are present in the class and if teacher says you are absent, so wasn't I present when this question is asked? Then it is not asked to know something. Wasn't I present? When we say was I present or were you present, at that time it is positive question, response or answer is needed. But when you attach not to it, to the helping verb, it becomes negative question, and that is for giving force on the statement hidden. So now these are three are formulas. Now let us see the examples. See here, he plays cricket. Now plays, what is the verb? Plays, P-L-A-Y-S. So which form of the verb? It is V1 plus S or ES. Now for V1 plus S or ES, which helping verb is used? Does. So I have written in short form here negative statements. What is the formula? Subject as it is, subject is he, then do, don't, doesn't, or didn't. V1 plus S or ES means we have to use does. So it doesn't. Then first form of the verb as per the formula, play, and remaining part as it is, and then full stop. He doesn't play cricket. Now how to prepare positive question? See again, in short form I have written positive question. What is first there? Do, does, or did? Now based on the verb form, what has to be taken? Does. So does at as it is in the beginning, after that subject he. Then first form of the verb play, s will be removed, remember. Remaining part cricket and question mark. So does he play cricket? Now negative question, you have to begin with don't, doesn't, or didn't. So doesn't, then subject he, v1 form of the verb play, remaining part cricket and question mark. So doesn't he play cricket? It means he plays cricket. This is the purpose of this negative question. Now next sentence, they play cricket. Now I have made some change here. What is that change? Verb is in v1 form. So v1 form means what you have to use? To. So for negative, subject as it is they, then don't, v1 form play cricket. For question, look at the structure there. Do, does, did. As verb is in first form, do, then they subject, verb first part as it is, first form of the verb as it is, do they play cricket, question mark. For negative question, begins with don't, doesn't, or didn't. Don't, then subject, then v1 form of the verb play cricket, question mark. Now look at this verb is in v2 form, so we have to take did. He played cricket. So he subject as it is for negative statement. After that for v2 form didn't, he didn't, then first form of the verb play, then remaining part cricket. And positive question, did, then subject he, then first form of the verb play, then cricket. And negative, didn't, then subject he, then first form of the verb play, and remaining part cricket and question mark. So in this way you can prepare negative statement, positive question, and negative question. I hope you might have understood. Complete the work. Thank you.